Uptown Swing level 1.
Maddie, Peter.
We worked on actually better connection, better frame this time. So first we talked about that shaking hands, and we did bowling, the idea that this connection is going with the follower, that way. So I rotate, stick my hand out, and we still have a rubber band, but Maddie's saying, no, this is mine. We had a little frame today. And we did this in a simple side pass turn. So we're rotating and going down the line. There's a little bit of both. Bowling, and it comes back and I'm direct. Little free turn. So that came in really handy when we did this step. In Frankie sixes. We did a little better job of that. Then we sort of reminded everybody about this feeling here. Get that nice connection in the hand on the back. And this connection here, and just asking for a good feeling, a nice round rock step there. To really make it feel nice. So at the beginning, we get a really nice lead there, and we wanted the followers to really go for that and take up that space with some energy. I think it was trying to get the followers to respond much more energetically. You did a great job with that. Then we talked about doing this turn right here, a little tuck turn right in place. Now it's a little tricky because it requires a little more precision and it requires a little more connection. But it's all about that first windup, which people did great. And then people were like, psych, I ain't doing nothing. And if you can wind up that second time, twist through this feeling, get that preparation, that's the leader's job to do the turn. So the followers really worked on winding up again. We did it with a tap step one time, rock step, tap step, if you need to practice, or triple steps. Just get a lot of wind up there, it makes the turn a lot easier. Leaders, just make sure you clear the head, you can make a lot of space for your partners. That's most of what we did. See you next week.